In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest, fastest, and easiest Amazon FBA product research method for beginners in 2025. Let's jump inside my screen and find some profitable products. All right, guys, and keep in mind, this does not require buying risky products in bulk, buying stuff from China, or doing any marketing. All we're going to be talking about is by far the easiest way to sell on Amazon in 2025. Online arbitrage, finding discounted name brand products, then flipping them on Amazon for a profit. If we go ahead and take a look at this item right here, it's a Cuddle Duds long sleeve t-shirt. The cool thing is Cuddle Duds is an auto ungated brand, so you actually don't even need to go ahead and go through the ungating process for this product. You can just go ahead and plug this in and click request to sell or apply to sell, whatever it says in there, and then there's a very good chance you can actually sell this right away from the get-go. We do have a full ungating tutorial on our channel as well if you do want to walk through of how to get ungated when it does require purchase documentation. We can go ahead and see this item's currently in the buy box at $39 over on Amazon, and then we can see on the JCPenney website it's going for $21.28. So taking a look over here on SellerAmp, this is all you need to go ahead and do this, guys, is the SellerAmp Chrome extension installed on your Chrome browser here. We can go ahead and plug in $21.28 right here, and we can see after shipping, fees, sales tax, product costs, literally everything, that leaves $3 profit per sale and a 14% ROI, which is not quite there. When I'm looking at a winning product, guys, if you're a beginner, you want to stay below a 200K bestsellers rank. We can see this is a 29K bestsellers rank, so that's a great example, right? Above 50 estimated sales per month, above $3 profit per sale, and then above a 30% ROI. We can see this is only a 14% ROI, but I know, guys, that over on JCPenney's, if I take a look here on Cardbear, I can buy discounted gift cards and get like 15% off. We can see the average discount is 15% off here. So over in SellerAmp, I can go ahead and actually take off 15% right here. And now this listing becomes a nice profitable product. But wait, this is a $38 product here that only weighs 7 ounces. I know that listings that are above 20 bucks but below 1 pound typically are even more profitable if I were to sell them merchant filled on Amazon. And I can see there's 5 sellers on this listing and 4 of them are merchant filled sellers. So I know if I want to, I can go ahead and merchant fill this product as well. However, where a lot of beginners go wrong is they think to calculate the merchant fill numbers, you just subtract the shipping from here. Instead, what you're going to go ahead and do is take a look here at this free guide I have for you guys on howtofbm.com that has the merch filled shipping costs right here, right? And then we're actually going to scroll down here on SellerAmp and toggle over to FBM right here. And then we need to go ahead and plug in the FBM costs right here as well, which we can see it was like 7 ounces. So it's going to ship for like $5. Taking a look right here, you want to make sure you screenshot that. You can plug in $5 right here. And now we can see that actually becomes a 44% ROI. So you see how we started out looking at a 14% ROI FBM, but then we take off the discounted gift card. We can do math within SellerAmp right here, toggle over to FBM, and we can see now it becomes a nice, consistent, profitable product right here as well, right? And I know you're thinking, okay, there's the private label alert. This is suspected private label. That's just due to low competition. When you see the private label on a product, that just means it has low competition. It's on you to take a look if the sellers on the listing is just completely being dominated by the brand itself, right? And then this does also have the suspected IP. I don't see any IP complaint issues on the specific chart right here for this product of basically just humming along and then just randomly dropping to 0 in competition. I can see nice price stability. It's even been higher in the past, closer to like $40 for a while there. And I can see good offer count movement as well right here. And then I know that this listing actually sells, right? So where most beginners think they should be finding products doing is either manual sourcing, so going on, big websites and looking through their clearance section, or paying for like crappy lead services and just spending a ton of time with product research and just finding not really vetted products and then trying to make them profitable, et cetera, et cetera. What makes a lot more sense, guys, is to do what's called the storefront stalking method on SellerAmp. And this is literally just done within SellerAmp, where we can scroll down here and you can start from this product or other winning products you see us take a look at on our channel, and you open up sellers you know are making money, aka that have 20 plus reviews. Now, reviews don't really matter. You're going to get them over time, but it is helpful for gauging how much profit someone's made. So we can see this seller's got 1,900 reviews. We know they're making a bunch of money, right? This seller's got 16 reviews. We don't really need to worry about that. The seller's got no reviews yet. Don't really need to worry about that. The seller's got 600 reviews. We can take a look at that for sure, right? This seller's got, 1,900 reviews. I think that was the same seller. Yeah, so the same sellers on this listing, FBM and FBA, which is totally allowed, by the way, too. On that now, instantly, we can see a bunch of vetted products inside the seller storefronts, and we don't need to verify if they're good on Amazon. We already know they're good on Amazon because we can see they have a good sales rank, right? And then we can filter into the specific brands we want to carry or the specific categories we want to sell, right? And the stuff that shows up initially, guys, is going to be their fastest winning products. We can see this is a 5K rank. Max cost is $20. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Right here, we can see, Elder Ring PS5, right? And obviously not every listing is going to be profitable here. We can see it's not even close in this case right here, but say we want to sell like Gap products. We've had a bunch of success selling Gap products here. We can see, boom, 17K rank, 3K rank, 24K rank. We know for a fact people are making money on this stuff, right? Otherwise, the sales rank wouldn't be good. There wouldn't be a bunch of reviews. People wouldn't have taken the time to sell them, right? And when you're getting your first couple winning products, you just want to keep it nice and simple like this, right? So we can see, boom, 17K rank. Let's take a look at that, right? Now we can see Amazon is on this listing right here, but there's probably variations Amazon isn't on, right? So we can take a look at that, right? 3K rank right here. We can take a look at that, right? We can see 24K rank right here, right? We can also take a look at like, Nautica stuff, for example, as well, right? We can see 3K rank right here, 78K rank right here, right? And now we know other third-party sellers are making money on this stuff. We know they sold well on Amazon for a while. All we need to be able to do is to make the numbers work from a profit perspective. And a lot of beginners think that stuff's just going to be profitable at the price it is sitting on the website. That's not the case. You need to be looking for coupon codes and using discounted gift cards, which is a little bit confusing to do the first time you do it, and then it becomes second nature. So for example, these hoodies here, we can see, take a look, see if we can find any variations Amazon isn't on. Let's see, 24 here, 24 as well. Right, we can see 24 here, right? So we can click through these different ones. Let's see some of these other colors here. Yeah, this one's like, okay, 54. Okay, so that's pretty significant. Let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at that here. We can see, okay, 25. So this color is pretty cheap here. Let's see. I got this one here. Boom. Okay, yeah. So let's see. 36. Right, let's see. I need these guys a little bit more. 46. Okay, cool. Sweet. So let's see here. So khaki right here. Right, so we can see now we're here at $25 right here. Yeah, okay, cool. So $24.99, right? So if we go ahead and plug in $24.99 here, we can see, right, we're at a nice $5 profit, but only a 22% ROI, right? So now we need to go through the checklist. Are there discounted gift cards? Is there a coupon code we can use? Is there a holiday coming up with a sale potentially, right? There's no holiday coming up. Check Cardbear for discounted gift cards here. So let's see, let's plug in Gap, right? So let's see, Gap right here. Boom. Okay, so Gap gift card's pretty significant. We can see, the average discount's 18%. So, I'm sure we can get at least like 15%, right? So if we take off 15% right here, right, now we can see, now this listing becomes nice and profitable, guys, right? And we can see it says private label. That would cause some, beginners stay away from it. But I know it's Gap. I know Gap's not private label currently, right? And then we also want to see, okay, do Capital One Shopping or Coupon Bird show any coupons we can go ahead and use? We want to plug these in cart, see if any of them work. Right, we can take a look here on Coupon Birds as well. Right, we can see Card Perk. That's probably like a credit card thing. I also like to just scroll to the bottom of different retailers and see if anything pops up or see if any coupon codes are shown. 20%. Now, if this 20% code works right here, there's sign up code. Now we take this off right here. We can do math with its SellerAmp here. Now this listing becomes even better, right? And that's how you make items profitable. You don't find stuff profitable mainly. You make stuff profitable. And that's the number one thing beginner sellers are missing is go ahead and plugging that stuff in, guys. So we can see that's nice and profitable. Let's keep moving, right? These red hoodies here. Let's see, so these red. 28. So this is looking like a stretch here. Yeah. So 28 here into 35. We can see here, even minus the 20% code, even minus gift cards. We can see that's not good. See anything cheap here? All right, these blue ones here at 14 look pretty promising. Let's see. So we got the 14. We got small and mediums here. Let's see. So let's see. Small and mediums here. Let's see. Yeah, boys right here. Okay, so 34 right here. So this is a non-zip hoodie, and this is a full zip hoodie. So we need to see if the full zip ones exist. Let's see. So tapestry navy here. Yeah, navy blue here. Let's see. Let's have the navy zip. Yeah, we need the zip up here, but we need it in navy. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't look like they have that one. No problem. Obviously, not everything's going to be profitable here. Let's see. We got these gray pants. Let's see. 21 here. Okay, so this is a reseller listing. Yeah, let's see. Get these gray ones here. Baby Gap logo pants in gray here. Let's see. $10. Boom. Okay. These are joggers, though. Okay, we need the jogger bottoms. There, let's see. So let's see, we want the sweats here. Let's see if they got these joggers here. Okay, these are, yeah, here we go. Okay, we want the light gray ones here. Okay, and these are, let's see, so $10. Okay, this looks very promising. We want a bunch of size in stock here. So $10, right? And then we can, at the very least, pay $8.50 here, right? Because we know we're getting discounted gift cards. That 20% probably works though too here. So we can see, right? $3 profit per sale and a 37% ROI. And remember, guys, that's after shipping, fees, sales tax, literally everything. SellerAmp takes into account that. And now, remember, guys, this is a $21 product that's well below £1. So let's run the FBA numbers too, right? So we go ahead, plug in. It's like $4 here, and we can see spend $8.50, make $4, right? What about if that 20% code works? Right there, even better. Great example of a profitable product. That's the way it's done. Now check those other sizes as well. And you guys can use the listings you see in this video to go ahead and storefront stock too. And that's how easy it gets to find winning products when you're factoring gift cards, when you're looking at products you know are vetted, you know people are making money on, when you're factoring coupons, etc. Here, let's see. So these navies here, right? In terms of, which products sell best, the way you're going to gauge that is always going to be taking a look at the charts and looking for good offer count movement and good price stability or price increasing. We can see in mid-December is like 24. Now it's up to like 28. Competition was like 11 to 12. Now it's down at like 5, for example, right? So we can see this is doing well here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at this right here. Let's see, 15. Okay. Let's go ahead and see. So this is 15, so it's definitely not good right here, right? Are any variations a little bit higher here? Let's see. Oh, significantly. Okay, right. So let's see. So these long sleeves here. We want navy right here. Boom, yeah, navy. So we can see 15 here, right? Let's see. After 20% off on all orders. Okay. So let's see. All right, boom. Okay, this looks pretty promising because this was on both extensions, so it probably works. You obviously have to test it though, right? But we can see 20% off 150 plus here. So let's see. So this is 15, right? So 15 here, right? Then we want to take off 20%, right, for that coupon code right here, right? And let's also check the discounted gift card situation as well, right? We can see Nautica, 10%. Average discount is higher here, though. I love seeing the gift card keep a chart right here as well, so you can see it's totally been higher in the past. So theoretically, you could wait a little bit, but I just pounce on good deals when you find them, right? Especially as a beginner. So we take off 10% here, right? And we can see $7 profit, 64% ROI. And now all we need to do is take a look and see if there's actual movement on the chart. Not a ton of offer count movement, but for a ROI that's significantly higher than normal, totally cool on this. And this is the name of the game. Do not waste your time paying for crappy lead services, trying to outsource to virtual assistants too early, spending a bunch of time manual sourcing. Just use storefront stalking, find proven winning procs. You can start out from any of the procs we see on our channel. Take a look at the competitor storefront, see what they're selling. Go ahead and track that stuff down profitably. If you haven't already, go ahead and get a 2-week free trial of SellerAmp on our website, selleramp.com, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.